Good one. All right. Point the left foot. Okay. Other side. Okay, good. You're trying. Good. All right. Drop the left shoulder.
Oh.
Okay, good. On the other side, drop the right shoulder.
Oh.
Good. Okay.
Billy loves chiropractic.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting my face.
All right, good. Tension. Good.
I got my head out the sun.
People sleep to these videos, the crunching, right? And look up. Alright, good. And line. Good. Alright, line your back for me here. We'll adjust the neck as well. Drop the left shoulder. Good. And the other side, same thing.
No more emotionally slow down. Life's a merry-go-round. But things get merry when you.
I could tell time.